Hello, hi, and welcome to the presentation of Coding Ninja's second front-end skill test. My name is Shubham, and I will be showcasing and explaining to-do list. Let's begin. So after going through this docs, the first thing it mentions is that we have to use the Meals API, MealsDB API. So with the help of MealsDB API, we will search any of our meal in this particular API, and we will have some result. With the help of that result, we have to create a more details page, and there should be a my favorite meals page. The working of my favorite meal page will be as such, and I will be explaining you by showcasing that particular thing in my project. So let's just move on to the project. So it's a basic GUI that welcomes you at first. So taste row is the name, and then we could actually go ahead and see that there are two buttons. So one of them is favorite, and one of them is search. So let's just search for something. Let's just search for pizza, and then we'll click on the search, and we have our result over here. So as you can see, the ingredients of this Pizza Express Margarita is laid out. I thought it would be a better idea if a user could actually see what it needs first for the particular dish he is looking for, so that it could decide if it it should continue to instructions or not. So for the instructions part, the difference would be that in the instructions part, you will have a bunch, all the instructions laid out, what exactly we would be needing and how we will be making the food. So this particular watch video button is going to just simply lead you to one of the videos, so that you can't just comprehend the bunch of things written over here. A video would be a better representation of what we want to make. Okay, so let's just look for something more, which is let's just type big, or maybe just simple character as B. So we'll have a bunch of results over here as it is being displayed, as you can see. And let's just talk about the three buttons over here. As I told you that basically the play button is going to lead you to a particular video. So if you want to really try it out, then it's going to happen like this. So as you can see, and the instructions over here, as I've told you already. Now this is a particular favorite button. Now the functionality of, as I was talking about, the functionality of favorite button have to be such that once a user adds it to his favorite, he should not lose his data if a particular user goes on to just reloads the page. So I will be explaining you that. Then let me add this 1 2 3 4, and then I can actually simply tap on the favorite. It will filter out all the other things, and it will show only the favorites that I have marked. So burger, Burek, and in the same order as I have actually marked them as my favorite. So I could I should not lose data in case if a user goes on to reload the page or do something else, or maybe closes the window. Then let's just try it out. So as you can see, the results are gone, but you can actually get them as by tapping the favorite, and then we have our results over here once again. You can go ahead and if you don't want them to be in favorites anymore, we can actually just tap on this remove favorites, remove favorites, and we have just one thing remaining over here. Coming on to the code part, in the HTML there are basic things, some basic the image, and then some container fluid and something else. So this is basically what this particular container, which is a result container, where we are going to display all of our searches results, and the favorite is basically where we are going to list out all our favorite items in there. So coming on to the script or the JavaScript, we have ify over here. Is that ify is going to initialize as saying the result container and the bunch of other things, which is the favorite button, favorites container, and the other things. And for making sure that we have a local storage on page load, which is the favorite meals json.parse, and we are going to use it like this, so that we could retrieve our data about the favorite things that was added by user. In case if we don't get any of the results, then we could simply actually type none and then search. So it says no result found. So it's going to tell you if you have gone into a situation where there is no result. So yeah, so thank you.